Welcome back to my Canva tutorials. In this video, I wanted to talk about actually sharing your images with other people in your team. So I have created these Pinterest pins, and say I want my virtual assistant to actually upload them to Tailwind for me. What I can do is go up here to share. And currently I am the owner. And then all I have to do is type in an email address. So go ahead and throw my business email in here, send invite. I'm actually not going to do that right now, but if you were to send the invite, then they would get an email. And then once they accept the share, then they will have access to, in this case, edit the image. You can also just give them permission to view it. So say you are a designer and you want your client to just review something that you have designed, but you don't want them to actually physically touch it. You can give them the option to view it, and they can look at it and let you know if they approve it or not. Now, once an image is shared, once the design is shared with you, it's actually going to show up down here at the bottom under Shared with You. So if I click on that, you can now see all the different designs that have been shared with you. Most of these are client designs, and if I wanted to edit them, I would click on it. It would give me a pop-up, and I could click on Edit or Make a Copy. Typically, I'm just going to edit it because they've already created it and shared it with me. And a lot of times, it's just, in this case, these are socials. So podcast goes out, and these are the social images that we put out in the same week that the show has published. And so all I really go through and do is add a new guest image art and update the podcast episode name. That's it. So I would click on edit and it would open in a new tab. It's another great thing about Canva. Everything opens in a new tab, and you don't have to worry about things getting replaced. That is how you share images. It's super simple. It's really easy. And again, that's another benefit of copying pages and not opening everything in a brand new design. If you are working with the team, everything will be right there. Everyone can see the images to edit, and you don't have to do a lot of extra shares all the time. So that is how you share an image and design with the team.